Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to reboot Firestick without remote. Let's go. First way. If there is no remote at all, disconnect the Firestick from the power supply and plug it back in. Second way, your Firestick and your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Fire TV app. Open Settings. Restart or reset to factory defaults. That's it. Now you know how to reboot Firestick without remote. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.